I gotta get my nails done. Ow! 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 Ripped all my hair out. Okay, that's not what we're here for. I'm here to show you my beautiful results from my ikoo Infusions Thermal Hair Wrap. Look at this. I gotta tell you that after using this wrap, you don't add a conditioner after, you just rinse it out. So I took one for the team and I didn't add any products in my hair after to dry it. I blew dry it, of course, but I didn't put any thermal spray in, any conditioner, anything. I literally just left what my hair is gonna be like after putting on the wrap, because I wanted to show you the results with absolutely using nothing. So I blew dry my hair, without any product, I flat ironed my hair, and then I ran a curling iron through it, and I gotta say, it is super soft. It looks amazing. But what I want to say is I feel like it's a little flyaway, but it says you need to use it about 3 times, only once a week, but about 3 times until you really get the full benefit. So, shine is crazy, it's soft, it's beautiful, it's just a little flyaway. I used the Hydrate and Shine one, so I would say that after my next 2 treatments, my hair is gonna look pretty dope. So, there you go. Make sure to subscribe for more. There's gonna be some great stuff coming up.